Hello again. So now that you've completely gone round the butterfly in the straight stitch, it's now time to do the next part. So if you just take your pin out, now that you've secured everything in place, you want to start with your first stitch just a little bit away from your butterfly. We're going to go round the outside of it now with a running stitch. So you're just coming up just a little bit away from the edge of the butterfly, and then you want to just go down about the same sort of sizes as your last stitches that you've been doing. Just go down and make that first stitch at the side of it. Okay, so you sort of stitch in parallel to the edge of the butterfly. So come up a little bit along from the last stitch and make your next stitch. Just keeping close to that edge all the time. So you're coming back up and going back down again. And just keep working your way around the butterfly. Another way you can do this is where you go down in the fabric, but then you just come straight up rather than pulling it through from the back. You sort of do a rocky motion to bring it back up to the top. So you've got your stitch there again. So then you go down and just come up a bit further along, and you can just then pull that through to complete your stitch rather than going down and then coming back up and going back down again. So again, just in and out, a little bit along. Just be aware that you're getting near to the edge, perhaps on some parts of a butterfly. If your butterfly is right to the edge of the square, just sort of come up a little bit further along, but you should still have space to go around it. And just keep working your way all the way around using the running stitch. And just keeping that distance all the way around until you get back to the start again, ready for the next bit.